Hello, Dan the Rock Man, and we are going to test which one of these polishing equipment will be the best one to polish the sterling silver so that I could set my stones. So which one do you think that I used on A, and which one do you think that I used on B? Whether it was the Dremel tool or the buffing unit. You tell me.
Hey, Dan the Rock Man, and what we're going to do is we're going to kind of explore about two different polishing opportunities on sterling silver. So I have two pieces right here that we need to polish up and clean up. Get that. There we go. Okay. So they're identical, and what we're going to do is we're going to time it and see how long it takes in order to polish these up. First one that we're going to do is we're going to use a brush. Okay, this is a 3M brush, kind of show it. I use it on a Dremel with the flex drill right there. We're going to use that, and then the other one is going to be polishing pad using the ruse. All right, so let's get our timer set up and we're going to get going. Get my other phone. Clear this. And we got the stopwatch. We're going to start out with the Dremel tool. And let's get started. See how long it takes. Ready and go. One grit down. Let's look at a little bit better right there. Now we have to change it out. All right, we are starting on our second one. We're going to use this polishing pad with Rouge. So let's go ahead and get our timer started and go. See that timer going? Put my gloves on. Going to 400 now. Got the back done. Be careful not to let it a pretty good shine. Pull out of your hands. Kind of dark to see. Alright, we got 2 minutes and 33 seconds, but now we need to go clean this one, whereas the other one we didn't have to clean it. Because I don't know if you can see it. Let me get that in there. Okay, let's go get this cleaned up. Two more to go. I'm shaking, I'm trying to move so fast. Okay, so it took 5 minutes and 43 seconds to use the buffer here, and I took it to the sink and used some soap and water and clean this up. So let's take a look at it, and then we'll do a comparison and see how well it looks. I'm going to clean some of this up here. Last one. We've gone over 8 minutes so far. Trying to move as fast as I can. And I'll let you tell me what you think is the best one. I want to give it the really good shine. Get that compound out. We used rouge on this. Ooh, and it gets really hot. Okay, I'm going to try to get the light up here so we can see a little bit better. 9 minutes. Almost done. There we go. Got a little bit better light. I'm going to turn it over here. There, turn it up a bit. Yeah, what I want to do is I want to get it in focus here. There we go. Okay, this is the buffer. This is the second one. And now let's compare it to the first one we did using the brushes. Back side. So which one do you think is brighter? That? All right. So
this one
is how much
the
time
brushes.
It took me.
This
10
one
minutes,
is
35
the
seconds.
bench polishing pad.
All right, now let's
Of course,
use
you got
a
dirt
polishing
on the
pad,
inside that
and
we
we're
didn't get
gonna
out.
work our second
Can't
one
get that
right
out
here
with the
on that polishing pad.
polishing
Let's go
pad.
ahead and mark this down.
All right, you're the
10
judge.
minutes,
Go ahead and leave a comment. Which one do you think
35.71.
you ought to use or a combination of both?
Got it to 0, and
Right.
we'll get this set up for our polishing pad.